Hey everyone, this is Deepika and welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to tell you about the best and most popular app for language learning, which is Duolingo. Duolingo has millions of downloads and it allows you to learn over 38 languages. So it has all the popular languages that you want to learn. So the best thing about Duolingo is that it is free of cost. It also has premium subscription option, but initially you can skip that. I have this application on my phone since 2018, but I wasn't regular. I got an opportunity during lockdown, so I picked up Spanish and it's going really well. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Once you open the application, this is how the home page looks like. Since I'm learning Spanish, you can see it here, and you can learn multiple languages at a time. So there are so many popular languages that you can learn, and this is the crown that I have earned, and this is the streak. So I have completed for Tuesday and I have to complete it for entire week. And this is the lingos where you have to play and earn this lingos, wherein you can buy this after spending this lingos. And this is the content on this app. So they have bifurcated the content like work, vacation, family, friends, introduction, household, and all of this. I have to complete all of them to get familiar with this language. And this is the best thing about Duolingo. It has stories wherein you can hear the conversation and you can get familiar with the daily conversation in the language that you're learning. So this is very helpful, I would say. And this is the statistics. You can see I have completed for Tuesday, so there's an arrow you can see, and I am at the currently 6th rank. I have earned the silver badge, so I'm competing with these people who are learning the same language like me. And here you can spend the lingos and learn this bonus skills. So this is amazing. Here it also gives you tips option wherein it will tell you the kind of general bifurcation. Like for example, in Spanish the guy is called El Nino and the girl is called La Niña. So the difference, it tells you the difference, and it's again very helpful. So let's start with the bonus test, wherein you will have to you'll have to give the right answer to go to the next step. For example, yo soy un hombre, which means I am a man. So hombre means man, so it will tell you nicely done. So you like that you have to complete this this contest, and yeah, that's about it. If I have to share my learnings or suggestions after using this app, the first would be don't just rely on this app. If your goal is to become fluent in any language, you'll have to look for other sources also. This will definitely help you to get familiar with any language, but you can't solely rely on this application. Second is, it is not going to teach you grammar. Like I showed you in the video, it will definitely give you tips, but it is not going to teach you complete grammar. Again, you can't rely on this app for grammar. Next is, make notes of the new words that you have learned, otherwise you are going to forget it. And make sure that you revise it frequently. My third suggestion or learning would be, do not rush, because it has lot of content, and go step by step. I am taking my own sweet time to learn language. My final suggestion would be, stay consistent. That's the key, guys. You have to stay consistent. You'll have to keep practicing. That will definitely improve your language. And yes, Duolingo is there to help you out. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and I will be back soon. And I hope you will download Duolingo and start learning something new today. Thank you so much.